Have you ever wondered why the Statue of Liberty turned green? The answer lies in one of the most versatile and widely used metals in the world: copper. This seemingly ordinary metal carries an extraordinary story, from its extraction, production to its myriad uses in modern life. Our journey begins deep within the earth, where copper ore is formed over millions of years. The mining process is a complex one, involving drilling, blasting, and hauling. The raw material is then ground into a fine powder before it is mixed with water and chemicals to create a froth. This froth is then skimmed off, leaving a copper-rich concentrate. The next step in the process is smelting. The concentrate is heated to a whopping 1200 degrees Celsius in a furnace. This extreme heat breaks down the concentrate, separating the copper from other minerals. The result is a molten copper known as matte. But the journey doesn't end here. The matte undergoes further refining in a converter, where it is blown with air to remove remaining impurities. This results in blister copper, which is 98.5% pure. But we want it purer. Hence, it is subjected to electrolysis, yielding a product that's 99.99% pure copper. The finished product is then molded into different forms, such as sheets, rods, or wires, ready to be used in everything from electrical wiring, plumbing, roofing, to coins, and even sculptures like the Statue of Liberty. So why did Lady Liberty turn green? That's due to a process called patination, where copper reacts with the environment to form a protective layer, giving it a distinct green hue. In summary, copper is a valuable resource that undergoes a complex process of extraction and production. From mining to grinding, frothing, smelting, converting, and finally electrolysis, each step is crucial in producing the high-quality copper we use in our daily lives. Its versatility and conductivity make it a staple in various industries, from construction to electronics. And while we may take this humble metal for granted, remember that it's not just the green patina of the Statue of Liberty or the pennies in your pocket, it's an integral part of our modern world. So the next time you see a copper wire or a copper roof, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's been on, because in the world of metals, copper truly is a superstar.